Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using Matplotlib. In today's video, we'll continue learning customizing the figures, the charts, and in today's video, we will learn how to change the title. So for example, if we run the script we have here, you will see that we have figure 1, but how we can change that, how we can add labels for the X and Y axis. So let's go ahead and learn how to do that. First, I want to make this chart more simple. I will delete all of these and these parameters here. And now we can change the title. We can do that by typing plt.title, and here we pass any title we want. For example, we can name this random numbers chart, and we can now run it and see what kind of output we get. So here we go, random numbers chart, and how we can change the labels. Well, it's very easy. Also, we can say plt dot Y label, so this is for the Y axis, and we can name this Y values, and the same for the X axis, so we say plt.x label, and this will be X values, and the same for this one, values. Let's run. And here we go. We have Y values, we have X values. Very easy to do. Now, we can do even more customization. For example, let me show you here. We can say, maybe for the title, we can say font dict. So font dictionary, so this takes a dictionary, will be family. So this is for the font family. And what kind of fonts do I have in my system? I don't know, maybe Arial. And what else? Color. So we can change color. Color will be red. Let's run for now and see what kind of output we get. Here we go. This error random. All right. And we can also change size, of course. So size, for the size, maybe 30. Let's go with 30 and see what that looks like. And wow, it's very big. Now, what else we can do? Let's see. We can change, of course, the location. So this will be loc, and this will equal to either left, right, center. So let's try left, run, and here it is, starting from the left. Let me change the size so this is more obvious for you. Set this to be 10, run, and here it is. Set that to be to the right. So here's the right. And as expected, it's indented to the right. So basically that's how you do customize the fonts. And by the way, this could be applied here also. Let me run. And you can see we can change that too. So that's it for me, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.